Looking at our table, we can see that some information is repeated. For example, in the column sex, male and female are the only options. Similarly, blood type is only A, O, or B types, and these are multiple choices. Features is a limited list, featuring examples like tattoo, scar, earring, beard, and this also represents multiple choices. In these cases, it's a good idea to analyse the table and create lookups. Before you analyse the table, you must close it, or there will be problems in creating the new copy. So we will close suspects. Then click on Database Tools and Analyse Table. The first couple of screens is full of information explaining why we analyse tables. You can have a look at Show Me an Example to explain the problem. We will click on Next and Next again and choose the table to be analysed, in this case the suspects table. It is important that you do not let the wizard decide for you and you make your own decisions about how you want the table to be analysed. So click on No, I want to decide, and then Next. You will see a copy of the new table. The first thing you should do is to rename this. Click on the icon here to rename table, and we're going to call this New Suspects. You should then pull out from the table any field which is a multiple choice for repeated information. For example, sex, which is male or female, we pull this out, we rename it, in this case we'll call it gender rather than sex. And this then has its own unique ID for each different choice available for gender. Other options which were multiple choice should be treated in the same way. So we will pull out hair, which was multiple choice for the different colours. Call the table hair colour. And we then have a new multiple choice option. Similarly, we will make passport. Features. And blood. When all of the multiple choice fields have been pulled out from the main table, we then click on Next. And at this point, Access will help us by creating some data scrubbing rules. One field under gender is empty. We will set this to male, but we will need to check that all of the fields are properly set. This variant spelling of female is wrong, so we will allow Access to change it to proper spelling. And similarly, this wrong spelling of male will also be changed to a proper spelling. When you have set up the corrections, click on Next. A wrong spelling of black is being interpreted as bald. We need to fix this so that it changes it actually to black rather than balk. And brown should be changed to brown. A passport option is empty, so the correction we will change to is none. And because only one version of Dutch and Spanish exist, Access thinks these may be incorrect spellings. However, these are correct, so we will choose Leave as is. That way, it will not be changed in our new table. When you've sorted out these corrections, click on Next. And finally, each of these is a single option in our table, so they are all correct, and we will choose each one Leave as is. Click on Next. And it's a good idea to allow Access to create a query working on all of the new connections between multiple choices and the tables of options. Click on Finish. And you will see that we now have a number of different tables, including, for example, blood type, which has A, B, and O. We can quickly see everyone with blood type A by using the pop-out here to see all of the people with that option. I'll close blood type. Similarly, we can look at hair color, and we can pop out and see everyone who is bald or everyone who is blonde. Notice our original table has been renamed to Suspects Old, and New Suspects has all of the information that we originally had, but also drop-down menus that allow us to look at the information.